my name is Shayla and I make these videos every Wednesday. I've been YouTubing since 2015 and I started the channel off by traveling. Now I'm home. I want to give you some tips for how to travel effectively. I want to teach you how to use offline maps. It's good for when you're traveling abroad and you don't have service. It's good for when you are driving through super remote areas and you don't have service and you can still know where you are for safety. So my last video I talked about how to stay safe while traveling solo and I mentioned offline Google Maps. So we're going to go into Google Maps. And then up in the top left-hand corner, you're going to see the little hamburger. Click on that, scroll down to offline maps, custom map. Let's do an offline map of Nicaragua. So if we zoom in here to Nicaragua, we know that we are going to fly into Managua and that we are headed down to San Juan del Sur. So we're going to zoom out, hopefully get everything from Managua to San Juan del Sur, which we do. So then we're just going to click download. If we were going from San Miguel all the way down to Liberia, obviously it's not all gonna fit in this little square, right? So you would do an offline map of this, download. Then you would do another one. So assuming San Miguel's there, you got like mostly to Grenada. You can get one of San Miguel, one of Leon in the middle, one of Grenada in the middle, one of Liberia. So you'll just download a few of them. So then if you're offline or you don't have Wi-Fi, you can still know where you are. This is great for when you arrive in a place, you hop in a taxi, you're on your way to the hotel. You can type in your hotel and it will give you directions to the hotel, even if you have no service. Your phone knows where you are, and the offline maps, when they're downloaded, will give you directions so you know if your taxi is taking you to the right spot. It will tell you what bus stop to get off on. So if you know where your path is, and when the bus stops there, you know to get off. Or if you're in like Southeast Asia and you're in tuk-tuk and they're taking you around circles and circles and circles, upcharging you, you can tell. We also use it when we're out driving through the mountains and we don't have service. We will always have the directions because we've downloaded the offline maps. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Go check out my tips for how to stay safe while traveling solo, and I will see you all next week. Bye.